Body language can play an important role in enhancing your speaking skills. Here are some body language tips for speaking. Stand or sit up straight, maintaining good posture. Don't slouch. Second, make eye contact, looking directly at your audience while speaking. Third, use hand gestures. Appropriate hand gestures can help to emphasize your points. Fourth, smile. Smile can create a positive atmosphere. Fifth, use facial expressions. Appropriate facial expressions can help convey your emotions and add depth to your speech. And avoid fidgeting. Fidgeting such as tapping your foot or playing with your hair or playing with some pen, etc. Next, use body movement. Appropriate body movement, just taking a step forward, leaning in, or can help to emphasize important points. So all these things will literally help you. Stay focused. Thank you.